Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. I'm Azwahana. So my topic for my presentation is industrial robotic in manufacturing. What is an industrial robot? It is a mechanical devices with a custom program to perform a task per program feed in a controller unit as per production requirement. So usually the industrial robot will perform a dangerous or unsuitable task which human can't do with high degree of accuracy. So these are the list of industrial robotic manufacturers in the world. Most of these companies, such as Yaskawa, Kawasaki, Epson, are from Japan, and the rest are from Switzerland, Germany, Italy, USA, and many more. Mechanism of industrial robot in manufacturing. So most of the industrial manufacturing today, they use next generation manufacturing system or NGMS, which is originally come from the traditional manufacturing system. So in NGMS, it consists of dedicated manufacturing system or DMS, flexible manufacturing system, um, which consists of automated numerically controlled workstation connected through a proper handling system managed through a central control unit. And lastly, cellular manufacturing system or CMS, which involves the use of multiple independent working. The advantage and disadvantage of the system. Advantage of the system are the DMS produce the company core product at a high production rate with a low flexibility. For FMS, the flexibility in managing resources to manufacture a large variety of parts. And lastly, to produce a specific set of products with stable demand level and sufficiently long life cycle. And the limitation of the system are product features are supposed to be constant during the system lifetime, and customization is costly and difficult to implement. And in the most of the cases, the throughput of FMS system is lower than for DMS, and the dedicated equipment increase the part full cost. So the current study to resolve such limitation are next generation manufacturing system or NGMS, which is also the continuity from DMS, FMS, and also CMS, and the Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing. Actually, the smart manufacturing is not a completely new new area of research. It is actually built up upon previous research and ties together with recent advance. Next generation manufacturing system in order to face the limit of the existing system, NGMS have to join high flexibility, reconfigurability, and artificial intelligence properties to respond to the dynamic market changes, which is reconfigurable manufacturing system or RMS. And it has adjustable structure both in hardware and software architecture. So the RMS features are modularity, which is the compartmentalization of operational function into units, integrability, which is control interfaces facilitating integration and communication, diagnosability, which is the ability to self-reading the current state, convertibility, the ability to suit with a new production and product requirement, customization, which is the flexibility of the system and machine, and lastly is the scalability, which it easily adjust and modify the system and the capacity when the capacity is added or removed. So these features make RMS dynamic system with the capacity and functionality to follow the market changes. Furthermore, RMS compared to other manufacturing system allow producing a higher variety of customized product. Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing. It is to provide the shortest path between a digital design and a physical component. Cyber physical system, a concept embodying the union between the digital and physical world with the analytical engines. Xiaomi is a Chinese smartphone maker. They use a system similar with smart manufacturing. However, they don't use a fully smart manufacturing system. They only and they released their first smartphone in August 2011, and they become the world's third largest smartphone maker in October 2014, which behind Samsung and Apple. Smart manufacturing consists of cyber physical system or CPS, which to make the whole factory adaptable, and integration of physical system is formed to connect the computer and the robot. Cloud computing, which to deliver the information, technology, service or any data related to the computer such as storage, server and even a database of the internet. Lastly is the Internet of Things or IoT, which is machine-to-machine interaction with no human intervention, and it has a network devices that connect a unique identification to the computer. Application of industrial robot in manufacturing are material handling such as food processing plant, picking and placing, beverage industry and meat processing. So these two pictures shows pick and placing robot in pelletizing but with different part. Next is process automation such as spot welding, arc welding, polishing and routing, and spray painting. So this is the welding robot that they use in the industry. Product assembly. So these are the robot that they use to assemble the part. And lastly, inspection. So usually they will use a camera. So the camera will capture the image of the part or the product, and it will identify whether the product is follow the standard or not. And this is the reference. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you.